Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to fix the issue related to Windows Update install failure. To fix that, let's go to Edge browser and go to this link. If you scroll down, you will see extend the Windows RE partition and copy this script and save it as a PowerShell script. To do that, open Notepad, paste the script and save as wini.ps1. Save as all files. Type. I'm saving this in the desktop. Minimize this. Minimize this. Let's open PowerShell as administrator. Let's go to desktop and run this script with the parameters skip confirmation, which is equals to true, and backup folder you see when I backup and hit enter. So let's try to install this now.
As you can see, running the script has fixed the issue. Thank you for being with me on this video. Hope to see you on the next one.